Hello everyone, today I will be making a function slope, and this is number 13. I'll be working on number 13 right here. And so, so far, I did already type in the def test. This is just to test the code, and I did type in the slope points that I want to test over here in the test suite. I commented it out, and so that I can write my equation. Those are the first things I did first, actually, just because I just don't want to spend too much time typing. I'm a slow typer. So I imported math, and then I imported system suite pass function, and I am going to start by defining intercept first, because we want to give the points names. So I'm going to say x1, y1, x2, and y2. And then I'm going to go into my Docker string, and I'm going to put my equation y equals mx plus b, which is equal slope, which is how I'm going to work this problem. And then I'm going to have my variable m equal to slope. And I'm just going to copy and paste this into this, because that's the equation that we are going to use. And then I'm going to give b also y1 minus m times x1. Okay, now that we have that, we want to return just the slope. So now I'm going to go on to define the slope. Let me give some space over here. And same idea, except this time we're going to give it x1, y1, x2, y2. Same thing. If you want to copy and paste, that's fine too. And Docker string return the slope of line through 2 points. And then I'm going to say return y minus, or y2 minus y1, which is the equation, and divided by x2, parentheses x2 minus x1. Okay. Then I'm going to go on to define the last piece of this equation that will kind of give me all the parts so I can be able to test it at least. I'm going to give the hypotenuse a and b, because hypotenuse, the length of hypotenuse when 2 sides are of angle. Sometimes I don't really hope. Okay, so then we're going to return another equation, and it would be a to the second power plus b to the second power, and we're going to raise that to 5. Alright. And so now we have all the parts. It should work now. I'm going to uncomment this out. So right here, the test suite, that I was able to run the test in the middle. So then I used the points in this, and let's see if it works. Nice. So it is working. Here is right here. Thank you so much for coming.